Can chiropractic cure cancer? How about diabetes? Menstrual cramps? Can chiropractic cure childhood ear infections? Can it help you lose weight? Throw a ball more efficiently? Before we answer these questions, I think you need to have a basic understanding of what chiropractic actually is. And to do that, I guess it would make sense to find out where it came from. It all started with a man named D.D. Palmer in a small town called Davenport, Iowa. At the end of the 19th century, when D.D. Palmer came onto the healthcare scene, medicine was leaving an era of proclaimed cure-alls, like putting leeches on infections and rubbing mercury on wounds to pursue more scientific investigation into the treatment of disease. D.D. reasoned that the body had an ample supply of natural healing power transmitted through the nervous system. If a single organ was sick, it must not be receiving its normal nerve supply. That led to the premise of spinal misalignment or subluxation, and from there to a procedure for adjusting the vertebrae. D.D. Palmer performed his first adjustments in 1895, relieving one man of deafness and another person of heart trouble. This is Harvey Lillard. He was the patient that D.D. removed the nervous interference from to restore his hearing. Yes, that's what I said. Restore his hearing. You see, the basis for chiropractic is that if you have a healthy nervous system functioning at 100%, your body should be able to function and heal without much help from outside sources. The problem is most people don't have a healthy functioning nervous system, and they also have awful habits to go along with it that further decrease your nervous system's ability to heal. Seems too simple, right? Well, it's a little bit more complex than that. The nervous system has two basic divisions, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. And it is really important that these two parts of the nervous system are not only functioning at 100%, but that they are also balanced. Oh, and back to the question. Can chiropractic do all the things we've mentioned above? Let's take a minute to think about it. We all know that your brain controls every function in your body, right? That includes managing every cell, tissue, organ, and system that we're made of. This also includes all activity and voluntary actions like throwing a ball or running, and all involuntary actions like breathing, digesting food, and fighting off diseases. Your brain does this by generating a mental impulse. That impulse travels out of the brain, down the brainstem, to the spinal cord, and then to the nerves, eventually ending at the organ, system, or tissue that the impulse was intended for. Pretty awesome, right? But here's the tricky part. The nerves exit the spine between bones in the spine called vertebrae. And if the spinal bones are misaligned, you can have compression on the nerve roots. This can decrease or compromise how fast the mental impulse gets to the cell, tissue, or organ it was intended to reach. We can all agree that if the message can't get to the body part, we can't expect it to do the things it was intended to. So to finally answer the questions we brought up earlier, does chiropractic cure cancer, diabetes, or menstrual cramps? Will chiropractic help you lose weight or throw a ball more efficiently? I would say anything that can help your nervous system function better and more efficiently can help with all these things. I am by no means saying chiropractic cures or even treats any of these things, but I am saying that all of these processes would be made easier and more efficient with the fully functioning and balanced nervous system.